Hey, Zach.
Hey!
Where are we?
We are at Mechanical Keyboards, the MK Tech Center, and I am going to spend the next 10 minutes trying to make the most expensive keyboard that I've ever made, and then also the most cursed keyboard in existence.
What? I type all day, I would die.
Dude, this is disgusting.
There's no way you're using this.
That is mind-blowing.
Have you played Killer Queen before? This is the best arcade game in existence. That's the perfect keyboard for you, dude.
What is that?
If you want to bail out of your airplane, you just pull this and a parachute comes out of your keyboard. It's pretty sick. Yeah. This is a Mega Man Adventures game with tarot-sized stage cards. This is like a board game, dude. Oh, this is a Doom keyboard. This is for the Doom build. Look at this. This is a Doom keyboard.
Zach, are you gonna get one of those cool USB with the coil?
Oh, that you hook into your keyboard and it looks all sick. Yeah, I want to do that. I like the purple one. Ooh, you've got a gas mask. These keycaps are sick too. Is that Darkwing Duck? Darkwing Duck.
When there's trouble, you call DW.
Darkwing. Zach, nice to meet you. This place is sick, dude. I have a hard time with keyboards that are super sensitive. Anytime I hover, I feel like it presses keys. So I want something that I can be really intentional with. A little minimalist, maybe some red and black type of stuff, but yeah, okay. Maybe walk me through the process.
Follow me. Something that they can really easily get into and customize and then really, get involved with. You can see the foam and pretty much all the components.
So you can really customize every part of this, right? Like keycaps, we're talking even the foam as well. Dude, that's crazy. Show me something nuts.
For nuts, I like to think maybe function-wise, this guy does a lot. I love these ball bearing systems, bro. This is our Hall effect section.
This is kind of cool. I like this.
If we're talking about feature crazy, it's always going to be Keychron. Okay. Keychron, I was going to probably recommend something like this to you. There's two options for full size that we have available here. We have the Q6 and the V6.
Say I jump off with something like this. So I can customize everything under the hood and then the keys as well. This is the coolest bar that I've ever seen, and I've been to a lot of bars.
These are generally organized by when we receive them. And this goes through the main types of switches that you're going to have in your keyboard. These orange caps are linear. All you have to do is you press down on them and there'll be nothing in your path. You just reach the bottom. For the blue caps, these are tactile.
Oh man, dude, that is wild.
The TTC Brothers advertises itself as a silent clicky.
I can hear a whole lot. This is so cool. I just started getting into keyboards mostly because of this guy. He's keyboards keep showing up. I'm like, oh, keyboard's a keyboard. They show up, I'm like, ooh, this one feels a little different. This one's this has a knob. It's kind of fun. What keys do you have?
I came in here about a month ago and I switched from the Gatoron Jupiter Yellows that came in my Keychron to the Gatoron Mountaintops.
They're kind of like a retro keycap.
I like the RGB on it. I think that's pretty sick.
Keychrons, you'll be able to customize everything. You can reprogram everything on here.
You got any Garfield keycap sets, huh?
I know we have some cat ones, but I don't think they're Garfield.
Why are you adding oil to keyboards? What's going on here?
This guy is the Prelude version. It's pretty smooth, a nice tactile. It's a little heavier, but it's fine. And then this one's chunky.
Oh, okay. Board, caps, switch. Are we missing anything?
Do you want a cool escape key or something like that?
Yeah, maybe something, a little something for my pinky to be friends with. Escape, get me out of here.
Do you want me to build it for you? Do you want to build it together?
What should we do? Should we build together? Build together? There's nothing better than just ripping some plastic wrap off of a brand new something, dude. This is great. Ooh, baby. This feels this is gonna be a really cool keyboard. Can you help me open a box?
No, I can't.
We'll leave that to the professionals. This is the Keychron Q3 Max. Oh my gosh, dude. Keychron, check it out. This is beautiful. So how do we build this thing?
These guys, you might notice that these guys have 5 pins on them. For Keychron, for 90% of the time, I use percentages a lot, you'll see the 5 little holes in their interface, right? You just gotta make sure that the copper is facing the correct way. The 2 little copper pieces are gonna face the 2 little holes at the top. You literally just pop them in and you're good.
That's kind of fun.
I'm gonna test this guy. Amazing job from our homie.
Ooh, so this is the fun part, yeah? Oh, dude, first press? This is sick. Howdy, howdy. Pretty sick, guys. That's pretty cool. Yeah, dude, this feels great, dude. It's chaos time. So now we've built like a beautiful keyboard, right? This is near and dear to my heart. We're gonna build the most cursed keyboard ever, and we're gonna force Meta PCs employees to use it. Oh, yep, yes. That's the one. Yes. Yep, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one. All right, you ready to do this? Yeah. Okay, let's make something just terrible. To a blue, switch here. To a black, switch on over here. That's great, dude.
We did the impossible.
Science. Guys, listen, I love my Keychron board so much that we reached out to the legends themselves and are officially carrying the Q6HE here at Meta PCs, as well as on metapcs.com. So let me tell you a little bit about it. First off, this thing, absolute tank. It's got a full metal build, so solid that it feels like it's been alchemically bonded to my desk.
Full Metal Alchemist?
Full Metal Alchemist. Plus, it feels premium, but my favorite part is the flexibility. This isn't just a wired keyboard, it offers triple connectivity. You can use the included 2.4G dongle for lightning fast wireless, switch to Bluetooth, or you know what, just plug it in.
And the real magic is in the magnetic switches. You can adjust the actuation point on every single key, giving you total control over how it feels to type.
Plus, you can set macros and shortcuts through the Keychron Launcher web app. It's super safe, secure, and there's no app installation required. You just do it all in your favorite browser. Now, I know some of you might prefer a smaller footprint, so we also got you covered there too. You can get all these same features in the smaller Q3HE as well. So if you're in the market for a new board, I can't recommend the Q6HE enough. Click the link in the description to check out the Keychron website, and for our US customers, this board ships directly from their US warehouse with free shipping and no additional tariffs. Upgrade your setup right now and hurry, because the rest of the video is about to start. The plus key for the spacebar, as God intended.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you could see it. Look what we done. 86% accuracy on it. Phil, that's your keyboard, Phil. Congratulations, Phil. I built probably the best keyboard that you can make. Every switch is different.
Oh my
which is
God.
kind of,
it's so cursed.
I thought
Touch it.
fine.
Like push the keys.
How did they not kick you out of the store?
They did.
Wow.
Whoa, oh my God.
This should be illegal to own.
What happened here?
Do you like keyboards?
I love keyboards.
Nice high-end keyboards.
I thoroughly enjoy them.
I want you to check out this product and tell me what you think about it. Go ahead and take the cover off there.
Wow, this is a hefty piece of kit. This is pure and utter chaos realized.
Oh my. This is quite the eclectic collection of keys you have here.
Ooh.
I think I would have trouble typing accurately on this keyboard.
Dude. Whoa, oh my God. That is insane.
Give it a feel, though.
Oh yes, that is mind-blowing.
What the heck? Oh, they're all different switches. Oh my gosh. There's no way you're using this.
Dude. Why? This should be illegal to own. Oh. Dude, this is disgusting.
The world's worst keyboard.
Oh, that's lovely. Are those all different?
They're all different switches.
Oh my God. That's horrible. I type all day, I would die. What happened here?
So I do have to say the weight is pretty awesome. We've got a variety of different keys, obviously. Oh, they're different switches. What? This is unusable. This one looks like a knob, but it's not. You do have a knob here. This is amazing.
1 out of 10, what do you think?
9 out of 10 because red doesn't give out 10s.
I mean, I gotta give it like at least a 2 out of 10 for style points, but functionality wise, not great.
For creativity, 10.
Negative.
Can we use integers? Can I go negatives?
Sure,
like
you want, yeah.
negative 100.
Like a -5.
1 out of 10. I would give it a 2 for creativity.
Guys, we've had a blast hanging out here at Mechanical Keyboards. Tell all the people at home where they can find you.
If you'd like to build something at home, feel free to check out mechanicalkeyboards.com. They got everything you'll need. Or check out one of our showrooms.
Check it out. If you're in Arizona, come on down. Check out this awesome showroom. It's so cool. Thanks for having us, man. I appreciate it. Yeah. All right, so Trogdor is out of town. Maybe leave him a little surprise. Enjoy your new keyboard, Trogdor.